Right over there, we have Mr. Green. He's here already. He's here early. He's right by the Beaver Lodge. Man, the lighting is so shitty today. I'm sorry. Look at. Okay, Mr. Green. I'll see you later, buddy. Welcome back. These two are bopping their heads. Mama and Daddy Duck. I guess they want me to go down there and put food because my spot is still flooded over there. Rock's still underwater. So yeah. They're coming over. And there's Willy. Come on up, Willy. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. He's half blind in his left eye, but his right eye's good. Like right now, he probably can't really see me. So, all right, bye.